Adding a new format of SMS is like a game. You need to identify the parts of the SMS that are changed from one message to another and mark them. For example, look at this SMS. What are the differences between this message and similar messages? What will change here when we get a new message similar to this one are the date, amount, payee and location. So what you need to do in our small game is to identify them and mark them. Let's do that together. I'll start with the date. Press on it and then press select. Now mark it as date and then confirm. In some cases you will be asked to specify the date format. After the date is marked, it will appear in yellow with a small icon near it. Now let's continue to the amount. Repeat the process by hitting the amount, pressing select and then amount. The app may ask you about the format of the amount. Another question that will appear refers to adding a minus to the amount. Pay attention that expenses in Hand Wallet are written with negative numbers, so add a minus if needed. We already marked the date and amount. Now we need to mark the payee and address. Marking the payee might be a little bit more tricky because it may contain several words. For these cases we have the join and split operations. Press the first word of the payee and then press join next word. Repeat this process until all the payee parts are in one block. Now press on this big block, hit select and then shop or business. Finally, we want to mark the address. Join all the words of the address as we did before until all parts of the addresses are in one big block. Then hit this big block and continue by pressing select. Now, we seem to have a problem since there is no option that is called address in the list. For these cases, we have the last option, other text that is not fixed. So mark this address as other text that is not fixed. Congratulations, you completed to mark all the non-permanent parts in the message and you can continue to the next screen. If you're not sure what part of the message to mark, don't hesitate to contact support@handwallet.com and me or one of my friends will help you. See you!